How to earn money using sound.me. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to earn money using soundme. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Play Store or your App Store and simply download the application in your device and open the app. And once you are in the app, you need to set up your professional profile in order to start earning money on your sound.me account. As soon as you open the application, you will see you have these three options. You have to link or connect your soundme to your social networks to receive camping for each of them. Click on YouTube and click on continue over here. Select the account, scroll down and click on continue again. Now just give some security permissions, and you can see that my account is almost created. Just click on continue over here. Now you have to enter your personal information, for example, your name, and then you have to enter your last name, your date of birth. So I'm going to select mine. And then if you have a referral code, you can go ahead and enter that. I don't have a referral code, so I'm not going to enter that. Just click on continue. Then enter your interest areas, for example, beauty, fashion, comedy, dance, or art and craft. So I'm going to select my niche and then click on continue. And now, as you can see, that my account has been created. Now you have to just polish your profile, use professional pictures or logos, or write a catchy bio to describe your skills and services. So, for example, just go to the settings option from there. And over here, you have your personal info, your interest, your contact information, and additional information. So you can go ahead and add, these information to make your profile more attractive. And then you just simply have to, keep posting your work to in order to showcase your skills and your work profile and sample music, etc. Then you need to understand the platform features. Soundme creators are able to monetize by different means. For example, you can go ahead and do streaming revenue, promotions, paid services. You can also try effective artwork promotions like utilizing social media for post and soundme profile, like for post and for on different various platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and engage your audience through responses like comments, feedbacks, etc. You can monetize your skills like sell custom content, voiceover, sound effect. There are different means through which you can start monetizing your soundme account and start earning money through it. So this is basically how you will be able to earn money using soundme. I hope you find this video to be helpful.